Everybody had Friday. Hope you're having a good day. It's a nice weather here in Northwest Wisconsin. It's kind of where's the weather? It's supposed to be in like high 60s again today, so it's nice and pleasant. I did some raking yesterday. Got to do more today or the night or this weekend. This weekend, hopefully everyone's got a good weekend lined up. I'm actually driving over to Minnesota. I'm going to go to Mall of America. Yeah, Mall of America. Got some business to do over there, but actually it's supposed to be a really pretty drive because the leaves are turning. So I'm looking forward to that drive. I'm about 2.5 hours from there, 2 hours and 15 minutes, something like that. So should be a nice little pleasant drive through the fall weather and fall leaves. Into the markets, big announcement out of China last night. I have some contacts at CITIC and a few other Chinese brokerage houses and exchanges and traders over there, and FCMs over there, who are just super excited with the fact this new announcement, the equivalent of the CFTC in China, CFTC/SEC in China, has opened up the doors a little bit more. They've already allowed some international traders into the markets, but they've eased the restrictions a great deal, and they're going to open up even further. So if you're interested in trading Chinese markets, let me know. And I put a Twitter handle in there for CN First Futures. CN First Futures is the conduit for a TT platform in China. So if you want to trade Chinese futures, you got to talk to CN First right now. We got some others coming on later, but right now it's CN First. And what do you get in China? You get sour crude, which is a great thick contract. You get iron ore contract, the iron ore futures. Iron ore is at Dalian Commodity Exchange, DCE. Great contract, really thick, really liquid. You can spread that to SGX. You can also spread that to Hong Kong HGX. And sour crude, of course, that spreads really easily to Brent at ICE, also Brent at MOEX or WTI at CME. Or you can probably go to the crude contracts in other places as well. I haven't tried to do it into TOCOM. I imagine you can also do it at DGCX, but I haven't really tried it in there. By the way, my invitations are open. If someone wants to join the conversation, you should be able to get in if you click the two little smiley faces in the lower right. And I got a conversation coming up later today at 11:30 with a buddy of mine, Olive. But anyway, back to China. Super excited about this stuff because back to the exchanges. It's Dalian Commodity Exchange, which has the iron ore, really thick, really liquid, really awesome contract. Then you have Shanghai International Energy Exchange, which has sour crude. It also has a gas oil contract. The gas oil contract looks like it's spreadable into the fuel oil contract. Fuel oil contract converges gas oil at ICE as well as at TOCOM. I haven't tried to configure those yet, but I got a feeling it should be. You also have a rubber contract. The rubber contract's actually pretty nice. I tweeted that the other day, and you can spread that into TOCOM, OSC. It's either TOCOM or OSC, one of those two. And what else? There's also a contract at ZCE, Zhangzhou Commodity Exchange, which has PTA. The PTA is it's the PTA warnings you see on plastic bottles and nylon and stuff like that. So that is a massive contract, super thick, super liquid. I'll tweet out something about it today about the liquidity because it is a really thick contract. Should be super spreadable into crude, into oil derivatives because it's derived out of oil. So there's that. So that's coming up. That's really cool. Looking at some of the stuff that's going on in the markets right now, it's not a great deal, but there's been some talk about is Bitcoin now rallying a little bit off the fact of that E-mini's been breaking? Is there kind of a trade going there? I don't know. I don't know how valid that is, but I know some reputable Bitcoin guys and reputable E-mini guys who are saying that there is some offset there. There's some trading going on between the two, spreading. If you're going to buy U.S. stocks, if you're going to sell U.S. stocks, buy Bitcoin. Could be. I don't know. It's possible. I don't really know. That's always been a weird combination. Something else I looked at today that looked kind of interesting. Oh, dollar strong again. Gold soft, dollar strong. That seems to be a continuing issue. Dollar index right now is trading 94.71 at ICE. I'm pulling up a chart now right now, and yeah, it's got a lot of open space up above it, man. I don't know where dollar index is stopped right now, but I think it continues to rally. Actually, I go back. Right now, it's up to levels it hasn't traded at since, I got to get better glasses, since July. So it's making progress. It's getting there. And if I look at some of the key crosses, looking at the euro, I just hate the euro. I hate it to pieces. But, it failed up there at 120 back in August. And now we're back down to 116. It's got to be going back down to 115. It's got to be going back down even further than that. Probably like 113, 112. But don't do your own diligence. I don't make any market calls. Do whatever you want to do. Just saying. I don't like that thing. Corn's got a nice bounce. So that's nice. But that's what I want to chat about. First, I just want to bring up that whole China deal. The China deal is a big deal. It's a very, very big deal. Those are really thick, heavy markets with a lot of liquidity. Get in there. You can trade them. If you want to get into them, let me know. I can hook you up with the broker and get you in there and get you on a TT platform, and you'll love it. It's a great place to be. So with that, I'm going to, I got to sign out for now. But I'll be back on later, like 11:30. I'll tweet about this. I got a conversation online going with Olive. He's an old rice trader and now trades a whole bunch of stuff. So should be fun. Talk to you later. Bye.